Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use La Roche-Posay Effaclar Purifying Foaming Gel Cleanser, which is suitable for normal to oily skin and can be used daily in the morning and or evening to properly wash your face. It helps to gently and effectively remove any excess oil, dirt and sweat from the skin, as well as light sunscreen and or makeup. Now this cleanser needs to be applied to wet skin, so remember to work with lukewarm water to warm water around body's temperature, but avoid hot water, otherwise it may dry out your skin. And I'm now going to get started with wetting my face and hands, and then we're going to apply the cleanser to the skin. So let's get started. Then use about a pump in the palm of your hand, which is about a coin size amount. Rub your hands together and then gently massage it all over your face and neck for about 30 seconds. Now rinse it off. Now when washing your face above the sink, I highly recommend using a soft, clean, damp washcloth to remove any last traces of your cleanser, sunscreen and or makeup, which usually gets stuck along the hairline or even around your eyes, so that you can properly remove everything from the skin, as you may not be able to do this with your hands alone. So go ahead and take your clean washcloth, wet it, squeeze it out and then swipe it across your face and neck. Now I recommend rinsing again. And then go ahead and take a clean towel and gently pat all over to remove the excess water drops from the skin surface. This also ensures proper layering, absorption and avoiding sensitivities when then continuing with the rest of your skincare routine. Once you're done with your cleansing step, you can stop right here and just use the cleanser to always wash your face in the morning as well as evening, or now go ahead and continue with your usual morning or evening skincare routine depending on your overall skin concerns that you want to treat. Now I additionally have prepared for you some example skincare routines that you can look into if you want to recreate them at home, keeping the main focus towards La Roche-Posay products. Here you can see the first morning example skincare routine, which primarily targets hydration as well as regulating oiliness and reduces blemishes like dark spots after breakouts or if you have sun damaged skin. And then of course don't forget your sunscreen before heading outdoors to properly protect the skin from the damaging UV rays. As for the first evening skincare routine, it's primarily about exfoliation and keeping the skin well hydrated, which in general then also helps to smoothen skin texture, reduces blemishes and fine lines and wrinkles. And then the last example would be when including a retinol, and this also is a great anti-aging treatment that you can include not only to regulate oiliness, but to reduce blemishes, but also boost collagen production, plus then also reducing fine lines and wrinkles. So there you have it when looking into what an example morning and evening skincare routine can look like. If you want to go over them in your own time, you want to know what products that I have picked, well, it's all in the PowerPoint. And after you went over the example skincare routines, you'll find the product description box part card, which lists all the products that I have emphasized in my example routines, what they do for you, for whom they are suitable, so that you then can adjust it based on your overall skin concerns. Remember, the simpler you're going to keep it, the better. And you'll find more information about the setup of a skincare routine, how you can properly apply your products in the PowerPoint. So if you want to go over it, you'll find it in the description box down below, and you can even save it to your device. Now, I do hope that you'll find this video helpful. If you did so, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you want to see more educational skincare content, head on to my YouTube channel. There's much more about it. And I will see you there. Happy skincaring!